So I'll be showing you how to launch the browser or how to open the browser on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. So what you want to do is simply go to your remote control and find the browser button here. Press it and that opens your browser. So you have a few bookmarks here which are made for you. Now you have the home page here. You can scroll down to different tabs. You can create a new tab here. If you want to open a new private window, you can select that like that. And you can scroll through the tabs like that. Okay, then you can come down to these bookmarks. Then you have management there. You can manage the bookmarks. You can delete and add bookmarks like that. Then press the home button. And that's basically the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV browser. So you can type something here in the home page, just bring up the browser, and you can go to something like Facebook, for instance. Let's go to Facebook. Now, as I'm typing, keep in mind that you can also connect a keyboard and mouse. In fact, I have a video on how to connect a wireless keyboard and mouse to this TV, so you can just browse and more easily, basically. Okay, you can connect a wireless keyboard and mouse and just browse easily. And that's basically how to open the browser on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.